How to remove Samsung account on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accounts and Backup. After click on Account and Backup, click on Manage Accounts. After click on Manage Accounts, click on Samsung account. And if you want to remove Samsung account, click on remove account and click on remove and click on select and click on sign out. And if you want to sign out and enter password, after enter password, click on OK and enter your phone pin. You will see your Samsung account is removed. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can remove Samsung account on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.